Rain gently kisses the window as Lena sits in her vibrant room, a palette of colors surrounding her. Paintings of candies, kites, and dolls lean against the walls, their vibrant hues a testament to her artistic soul. Toys are scattered across the floor, frozen mid-play in a world of imagination. Despite the colorful sanctuary, a sigh escapes her lips, revealing a heart longing for something more. Light streams into Lena's bedroom, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air. A glimmer catches Lena's eye, an object peeking out from under her bed. It's an old paintbrush, its wooden handle intricately carved and sparkling with an inner light. The bristles are an unusual gold, catching the light like spun sunshine. Lena carefully picks up the brush, turning it over in her hands with childlike curiosity. Unseen, magic comes around the brush, waiting to be awakened. Lena carefully dips her brush into the watercolors, readying herself the bristles soaking up the vibrant pigment. She delicately paints a small round red ball onto the thick watercolor paper, her brow furrowed in concentration. Suddenly, the ball pops off the page, defying gravity in a stunning display. The ball hangs suspended, perfectly round and bouncy, a moment of pure magic frozen in time. Shimmering golden dust showers the immediate area, Lena's eyes sparkling with amazement. Lena bursts into her bedroom, locking the door, her eyes ablaze with newfound inspiration. Grabbing a brush, she attacks the canvas with furious energy, her imagination unleashed. A candy appears, solidifying in mid-air, followed by a kite dancing on a phantom breeze. Her bedroom transforms into a vibrant wonderland as colorful creations materialize at her whim. Bathed in soft daylight, Tommy's small hand knocks on the door, crumbs clinging to his fingers. "Lena, want to play?" Tommy asks, his face beaming with pure, innocent excitement. Inside, Lena quickly hides a brush, her movements betraying a sense of urgency. "I'm busy," Lena replies, her voice slightly strained, a hidden world behind the closed door. In the quiet hallway, Tommy's small hand gently pushes Lena's bedroom door ajar, a silent invitation. He peeks inside, his eyes filled with a mix of anticipation and innocent concern. "Okay, I saved my last cookie for you," Tommy whispers, his voice barely audible. He pauses, waiting for a response, the unsaid words hanging in the air. Tommy holds the cookie out, a peace offering and a gesture of unwavering affection. His hopeful gaze remains fixed on the room, silently pleading for connection. In the dim light of her bedroom, Lena focuses intently, holding a magical brush with a determined expression. She tries to draw a puppy, but the brush remains dull and gray, leaving the paper blank. Next, a bicycle, then a rainbow, each attempt failing to coax the magic back to life. Frustration etches itself onto Lena's face as her efforts prove fruitless, her brow furrowed in concentration. Lena slumps against the pillows, a forlorn expression etched on her face in the dim moonlight. She cradles the inert brush in her hands, shadows dancing across the room. Her whisper echoes in the silence. Why won't you work? A sigh escapes her lips, tinged with regret. I should have shared you. From her window, Lena watches the village street come alive with children's laughter. Tommy is in the center, a beacon of youthful joy among his peers. He shares his cherished toys, his generosity shining brightly. Tommy kneels to help a little girl, his small hands deftly tying her shoes. His kindness radiates, a pure and genuine light in the sunny street. Lena observes her heart swelling with a mixture of pride and emotion. Sunlight floods Tommy's room, illuminating dust motes that dance and swirl in golden rays, creating a magical atmosphere. Lena enters silently, a brush hidden behind her. Her footsteps light as she approaches Tommy. Tommy is absorbed in play, lost in his world as he pushes toy cars across a vibrant, colorful rug. Lena steps forward, the brush now visible, its bristles glowing with an ethereal, otherworldly light. Tommy pauses, his eyes widening with curiosity as he notices the light. Tommy, I have something special to show you, and I want to share it, Lena says softly, her voice full of anticipation. Sunlight floods Tommy's room, igniting a spark of pure anticipation in his wide, eager eyes. A hopeful gleam dances within his eyes, reflecting the boundless possibilities of the day. Tommy's grin widens, a silent invitation hanging in the air. "Wanna try it together?" Tommy asks, his voice bubbling with excitement. His question hangs expectantly, awaiting Lena's response. Tommy's gaze is fixed, brimming with youthful eagerness and shared adventure. Beneath an ancient willow, Lena and Tommy discover an open canvas on the village green, sunlight dappling through the leaves. With bold strokes, Lena paints a grand slide, her brush dancing across the surface. With confidence, Tommy meticulously crafts wings, each chain and seat outlined with care, bringing life to the empty space. As they paint, their brushes begin to sparkle, catching the sunlight in a magical display of creativity. On the village green, Lena kneels, chalking a vibrant merry-go-round onto the grass. Beside her, Tommy adds a trampoline, his tongue peeking out in pure concentration. Their brushes dance, swirling colors that catch the sunlight, strokes of pure joy. The village green transforms into a canvas of childlike wonder, a miniature sun. The village green is alive with joyful activity, a brand new playground shimmering in the sunlight. Children's laughter echoes, creating a symphony of pure, unadulterated happiness around the swings and slides. Tiny figures race and climb, their faces lit up with excitement. The playground stands as a beacon of fun and community, inviting endless adventures. Warmth spreads through the heart, watching the children revel in their newfound haven. Under the bright day, Tommy beams, the village green alive with joyous chaos. Tommy, with a wide smile, watches the scene unfold, his eyes sparkling with satisfaction. "See?" Tommy exclaims, his voice ringing with delight. His gaze sweeps across the happy faces, underlining his point. Sharing really does make things better. Lena's face lights up, echoing Tommy's sentiment with pure joy. Way better, Lena replies, her agreement sealing the sweet moment of shared happiness. Lena and Tommy clean their paints in the soft glow of Lena's bedroom. A sense of quiet accomplishment fills the air. Lena picks up a brush, its tip suddenly glowing with a golden light, a magical resurgence in her grasp. Lena muses, her voice soft with wonder. It came back to life. Maybe it just needed a little kindness. With a tender touch, Lena places the brush in a box, carefully labeled for sharing only